Hey guys, back with another Master Lock key safe here. This one, wall mounted, usually outside your house. Stick it to the wall so your kids have a house key probably. Maybe relatives washing your dog or something like that. Functions, push this lever down, bottom comes out. Key would be secured here with this little screw. And kind of flip it, use your key without having to unscrew it every time. Bottom gets thrown back in. Reset lever on the back here. Typically, this plate would go over top, so you can't get to the key. But I have it off for ease of resetting this combination, so we can learn how to open it without knowing. Flip this reset switch back down. Turn on the combination. Voila. A box that we don't have the combination to. Now, each of these wheels on the bottom part here has a little gate that can be a little hard to feel sometimes. If I go quiet, I'll throw music in, because sometimes it takes me a second. There's our first gate there. Go around. There's our second. Gave myself one warm-up recording, so I've done this once today. Took me a second the other time. And this one might take me a second, cause I'm struggling. Time to go around one more time. We'll try two. Might not be two. We'll give it a shot. I'm thinking it's not two. The spot is really tight here though. It's definitely a two situation there. And it's definitely an 8 situation there. Maybe a 7? Maybe not a 0? Take a little trip around the wheel here. Right in the middle there, so it could be 9. There it is. So sometimes it can take a second, but nonetheless, very openable. Took me a couple minutes, so not overly long. With a little bit of practice, a little bit of warm up, could decrease that time significantly. But that's all I got for you today. Have a good one. Stay safe. Bye.